What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV coming to you from La Fortuna out here in Costa Rica. You can't see Arenal volcano right now because the clouds are covering it, but we'll see what happens in a few. Anyways, we're gonna do a walking tour, eat some food, show you guys around La Fortuna here in Costa Rica. Let's do it. We're gonna eat here first, Mexican food. Here's the view. All right, this is where we ate. You can see there's quite a few restaurants around here. So if you guys come to La Fortuna, it's like an adventure land for backpackers, I would say. There's other people who come here aside from backpackers, you know. They have some boutique hotels, and then they have hostels, and then they have like everything in between, you know, and above. But they got ATV rides. And they got horseback riding, trekking, sloths. Those of you who like wildlife. Hola. How you doing? Hey. Where are you from?
From Germany, right?
Oh, Germany. Estados Unidos. Yeah. You habla español? Oh, maybe, yeah. English?
Yeah.
Sí, yeah. YouTube. Sí, bro. And yeah, so lots to do here. It's a lot of different varieties of different people that come here from all over the world. It's kind of like on the same level of like Tulum or Queenstown, New Zealand, in the sense that it's one of those like backpacker hubs, or like Vietnam. Excuse me. I think we need to go to the other side here. Oh, maybe I don't. Looks like there's this one more activity on that road right there. What is that? This road, see this over here? This is Benjamin. He's the video editor for most of the travel guides. Hola. All right. See, this is like an adventure bus right here. Yeah, it looks like they got Lavid Hotel. Anyways, we'll keep pressing on here. I would say it's kind of like Tulum in the sense that it's got that backpacker vibe, or Bali. It's got a little bit of that Bali feel to it. Probably the most I've seen in Costa Rica so far. I have also been to Jaco, which is similar. You know, as you go around the world, you find these places that have cheap accommodations and adventure activities, hostels. Although with the recent events that occurred in 2020 and 2021 with the restrictions and the lockdowns, some places have struggled to come back, but we'll see if they do come back at some point. Whoa, Carnicas Carranza. Arte Nagota souvenir. Yeah, if you guys want to see sloths, that's what they got here. Arenal volcano has, for the most part, been under cloud cover the whole time I've been here. Let's go in here real quick. show you. Arenal Rafting Company. So they have whitewater rafting here. If you like to do that kind of stuff. This little park here in the jungle. We drove in from San Jose. That's the biggest city, the capital of Costa Rica. It took us probably about 4 hours driving through the mountains. As you go past Poas, which is the volcano over there, you kind of come across some tough stretch of road, in the sense that, look at that fountain there. It's like leaning sideways. There's big trucks that try to pass that area, and the road is really thin. I don't know if you guys have ever been to Maui, like the road to Hana. It's like the road is one lane and then big enough for two, just depending on how they built the road with the stretch. And when you have big semi trucks trying to pass through there, it's crazy. They have to, like, there's one turn on there that will literally tie up all the traffic. Just one simple turn. You'll be in stop and go traffic on that road going on the backside of Poas volcano. So, show you this little park there. Nice. And they got more shopping on this side of the road, town. I've seen hotels here for as much as $45 a night. I'm paying $55 a night, and I've seen them as expensive as $200 a night. So they've got all types of varieties of prices here. But the big ticket is that right there. That's Arenal volcano. Still under cloud cover. Or is it that? I can't tell if it's that one or that one because it's got the cloud cover still. Anyway, that'll be interesting to wake up to without cloud cover. Because I do believe it will happen. At some point we will get her to show her beautiful face. She's just hiding right now. She's kind of shy. Madame Pele, as they like to call her in Hawaii. Because in, I think, the 1970s is when they had an eruption. So, it's not too long ago. 40 years ago. The side where La Fortuna is the green side. The west side of the mountain is where the lava flow happened. A little bit of lava flow on the east side, but nothing like on the west. Oh, by the way, if you guys enjoy videos like this, please do hit the like button and consider subscribing as we continue to show you guys around Latin America on this tour. But we've got lots of videos from all across the world. What we got over here? Not too much. Oh yeah, there's a little bit. There's just action on every side of the street around here. How about I go back this way towards the whitewater rafting. There's the bank for those of you who need money from the ATM. Yeah, I'll probably show you guys at the end of the video my hotel room, so you guys can get an idea of what the hotel looked like. I was kind of hoping to wait. I was waiting for the view of the volcano. I did get one for a brief moment coming in. So here's the whitewater rafting I was telling you guys about. Hola! So they do have, there's no rookies. It's a class 1. #1 world-class rafting. Amazing. Got some incense burning there. I don't even know what elevation we're at up here. I just feel like it's high because I'm short of breath. Most of the places I've been in Latin America have been high elevation. Bogota, Colombia, Medellin. And I was trying to go to Quito, Ecuador, and even Bolivia would be nice, but I don't think I could get in there. That one's a little bit harder to get into. La Paz. Yeah, there's more to this place than when I just walked here. There's like a bunch of tour excursions going in each direction, but it's not as easy to walk over there. That's pretty much La Fortuna, the town. You guys come out here. Let me see. Looks like there's stuff going this way, stuff going this way, laundry, get your clothes washed, live music at Nanku. Be interesting to see what this place looks like at night. But in the middle of backpacker season, this place really lights up with some excitement. Let's see here. You guys got information?
Oh yeah, we got tons of information.
Okay. Okay. So, as promised, told you I would show you guys around the hotel that I'm staying. It's about $55 a night plus tax. Could be cheaper on a certain day. I actually saw a similar hotel for $40 a night. 43 actually. It's a little bit closer to the town than this one too. So, but bungalows, I mean, where else are you gonna get these bungalows? Full units for $50 a night. I mean, come on, Costa Rica. Great pricing. Anyways, that which you see right behind that palm tree is Arenal volcano. Right now, you cannot see it. Hopefully I will be able to get you a morning view, which I'll put in here. But anyways, this is the evening time. It is approximately, let me see if I can get an exact view of my watch. 5:05. This here is my room, which I will show you in a second, but let's go over here down to the bottom. Thanks to everyone who's liked this video, by the way, and also subscribed to this channel. We are going to be doing a lot of good work here in Latin America. We've already done Colombia and Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, and the Virgin Islands, which is in the Caribbean. Anyways, you can see some more of these other units. Some more units. My friend is in that one. Great view he's got, huh? Anyways, let's go show you the room. So this is just an example of the hotel. It's like these bungalows. You get these bungalow huts. It's about $50 a night, actually. Not a bad price. And that's Arenal volcano right there. So you can see the view, but right now, the clouds, the nubes, covering it. So today, we're actually going to do a tour. It starts at 12, which is kind of late because it's only going to be a half day. We're going to go to a hanging bridge, a hot spring, a hike, and a waterfall. Wow. Like, like a spoon.
Good.
Termina de quiero foto. ¿Quieren coco? Ah, no, this time no.
Oh, wow.
¿Quieren aquel otro?
Right there.
Yeah.
Todo.
Mm.
So remember, we are visiting the youngest forest at the Arenal volcano region.
This is the youngest one. All right, we are hopping in. It is hot. It is warm. Not hot, but warm. Wow. I could swim in that. I wish all the water was that temperature. Jeez. Oh, I'm barefoot. Barefoot in the jungle. Ooh. Woo. Barefoot in the jungle and filming. Talkie. Hola.
One of the best spots down here.
Yeah. Oh my God, this is nice. Oh wow.
Let's keep it.
Yeah, beautiful. The hot springs. And yes, I definitely did get in the water there. Go down here. It's a little more interesting. Like a second pool, right? Watch your feet. Watch your feet.